Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to use night mode on iPhone 13 Pro Max. Night mode activates automatically when the camera detects low light levels. A yellow night mode icon appears near the top of the camera app. Tap the night icon to open an exposure time slider that shows seconds. Auto chooses an exposure from 1 second up to 30 seconds with tripod. Use handheld shorter exposures or a tripod for the full 30-second capture. Night mode works with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses on this model. Open the camera app and swipe to the photo mode for standard night shots. Frame your subject and tap to set focus and exposure lock with AE/AF. If night icon shows, tap it and drag the exposure slider to increase seconds. Set exposure to longer times for darker scenes and more light capture. Use a tripod and the 3-second timer to eliminate handshake blur. Hold still when shooting handheld. Shorter exposures reduce motion blur significantly. Review the capture in Photos and retake if highlights clip, or enable Pro RAW in settings to capture night photos with more editing latitude. Pro RAW files are significantly larger than standard HEIC or JPEG images. Shoot in Pro RAW for heavy edits, or use JPEG for smaller file size needs. Use the Photos editor to adjust exposure, shadows, highlights, and noise reduction. Toggle night mode off by tapping the night icon and selecting off when needed. Avoid bright nearby lights that can cause lens flare and uneven exposure. For best results, use a tripod.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.